Who is this? This looks like Link. This is Jimbo Moon, again with Marley, doing another game review with Marley. And this is Link and the Legend of Zelda board game. This is an old game. It's an old game by Milton Bradley. So Marley and I just played this game. So Marley, explain the game to everybody.
Well, Link first has to start at this part. We have to get on the square to turn one over. We have to get two swords to do it. And we get a heart if we do 2 swords and beat it.
Okay, and then what?
And then if we have to get the fairy, and we have to get the fairy. I got the fairy.
You did?
It's right here.
Marley found the fairy. Okay, what happens when you find the fairy?
We can go to the next world.
Okay, which is what?
Which is the... What's it called again?
What do you call that?
The lake.
Okay, and what happens in the lake?
We have to find the raft. See?
Okay, and then what happens when we find the raft?
We can get out of that world and go to the next world.
Alright, so what's the next world?
It's the desert.
Okay. Then what?
Then we have to find the bottle, which is Daddy got the bottle.
Okay.
And once we do that, we get out of it. We go to the dungeon.
Alright.
We have to find the key to the dungeon.
Okay, what happens after that?
We have to go to the next dungeon.
Okay.
And we have to find the bomb.
Then what happens when we find the bomb?
We get to go to the next dungeon.
Alright, and what happens here?
We have to get the princess.
Okay. So that's the princess, and what else was on that card?
Well, that triangle cloth.
The triangle cloth?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Alright. It's called the Triforce. Okay, and we also, looks like we fought Ganon several times in the purple dungeon. We fought a Pole's Voice and Gleox, Landmolas, Tektites and Molbrins, and who else but Zola in the lake and Tektites in the forest. So this was the Legend of Zelda board game by Milton Bradley. And what's with the hearts?
Well, those are our lives.
Our lives? Okay, and at the end we counted them up. And how many points did I have?
4.
Okay, and how many points did you have?
9.
So who won?
I did.
Okay, so Legend of Zelda, the board game by Milton Bradley. This thing's probably as old as the original Legend of Zelda. So that's another game review with Marley, and this is Jimbo Moon.